another GATE 2015 problem for 1 marks. The question is, which of the following is not equivalent to P implies N is implied by Q? So P implies N is implied by Q basically means P implies Q and Q implies P. So it is bidirectional. Both have to be true. Now P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q. This is because, so what does P implies Q mean? It means that either Q is true, or if Q is not true, then P cannot be true. Because if P is true, then Q has to be true. So if Q is not true, then P cannot be true. So what it means is either Q is true or P is not true, which is the second, this expression. Now, if that logic was not clear, then you can simply look at the truth table of both these expressions, right? So here P, Q, P implies Q and not P or Q. So when P and Q are both 0, 0 implies 0 is true. When P is 0, Q is 1, 0 implies 1 is also true. 1, 0. So here P is 1, Q is 0, this is false. And when both are 1, it's true. Now let's look at this expression not P or Q. So for the first one it's true. For the second one again it's true. For the third one it's false. And for the fourth one it's true. So if we look at the columns of P implies Q and not P or Q, both are same, so they are equivalent. Now let's look at the options. So if P implies Q is not P or Q, similarly Q implies P will be not Q or P. Let's look at the first option. So in place of P implies Q we have not P or Q, and in place of Q implies P we have not Q or P. So this option is correct. Remember, in the question it is a which is not equivalent, so this will not be the answer, because this is equivalent to P implies N is implied by Q. For the second option, the first term is the same, and the second term you can directly Q implies P. So in the first term, this P implies Q is replaced by not P or Q, and the second term is kept as it is. So this is also equivalent. Now for the third and the fourth one, right, what we need to do is, so if we substitute the equivalent expressions, you have P not P or Q and not Q or P. Now we apply distributive law and open up this expression. So this you will get not P and not Q, or not P and P, or Q and not Q, or Q and P, right? Now not P and P and Q and not Q, these are all false or 0, right? So you get it to be P and Q, or not P, or sorry, not P and not Q. And this is, I think, the last expression, which is not P and Q or P and Q. So all these three are equivalent, so option number C is not equivalent.